Hey, princess. Hi, guys.
So I get smashed.
Yeah.
Just so you can get your kiss.
Mama, why you get smashed?
Because Papa want to kiss Sarah, not me. Say morning. Say morning. No. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day with my fam bam, you guys. It's a brand new day and we are up and getting our day started. First things first, I got this house all fresh and ready to go for the day, and I just squeezed some fresh orange juice that my girl is gonna get for her morning juice, which she loves. She loves her fresh orange juice in the mornings. So you guys know that in the mornings she get breast milk. She's breastfed in the mornings at breakfast, which she super adores the first thing when she wake up in the morning. And then about 10 I give her some orange juice, which she super love, and we carry on with our day with whatever routine we have going. Tyler is still on vacation. It's the last week of vacation, so he is over here having his morning fruits. Let's see the big boy. Say morning, Ty. Hey, look. Morning faves. Tell the faves what you're eating.
Kiwi, banana, and pear.
Kiwi, banana, and pear. Why that kiwi, banana, and pear? Why you sound like that?
Because I love Mama and Sarah and Faith.
Because you love Mama, Sarah, and Faith?
Yes,
So I'm to
also
Papa. Oh.
Everybody I love in the world.
Oh.
Also the cameraman.
You're funny. Alright. What are you gonna do today? Huh? What you gonna do today?
I'm going to do nothing.
You're gonna do nothing?
Except one thing.
Except what?
Except two things.
What?
It's watching the TV.
Mm-hmm. And two?
And two.
Two? Okay, I'm gone.
No.
What's two? Activity in your book?
Yes.
Yes. I was sure of it. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Baby's off to work. Baby's off to work. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if you vlog, you guys will see him. Whatever we have planned for today, then you guys will see as you go along watching today's vlog. Enjoy it. And if it's your first time, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Can you see that she's watching the TV? Yeah. So I am going to try and get some workout done during her nap time, which her nap time should be coming up in about 30 minutes. Because that's how she does. She normally naps like 10:30 in the mornings. She normally goes down for her first nap. So I'm gonna try and get my workout in at that time. And then after workout, I have a bunch of stuff to get done in my head. But let's see. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay smiling throughout the day. Be kind to somebody. Make somebody smile. Say something nice, at least one thing nice to somebody today. I'm sure it will make their day more than you ever know it. And if you have never done that before, just try it. It sure will help somebody in the most positive way. Anyway, you guys, I'm done chit-chatting for this morning. I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. You want some more orange juice? More? You're just drinking and watching films? You're just drinking and watching, babe. More? 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 These oranges have a lot of juice in them. When I squeeze one orange in the morning, it gives me so much juice. You always drink it and leave just a little bit in the cup. She drinks a good amount from it. More? More? Good girl. Oh, almost done. More?
I'm not going to anymore.
Oh, you didn't eat the pear?
Just a couple.
Just a little to remain. More?
Some.
Hmm?
Mom wants you to eat the other pear.
Oh, just a little. Ooh, 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 ooh.
The other pear.
No, you're gonna eat it. You don't eat it now. You're gonna eat it for dessert after lunch. More?
Okay.
Almost
For
done.
dessert after lunch. I want to put
Yay! Just a little tip in the bottom. Wait, let's open it. Because I don't think it can come out. Drink. Mmm. Mmm. More? Julie mouth. Wow, look at top it. Wow! Done! Bravo! Yay! Good girl!
I want to
Good
put dessert
girl.
for lunch.
Okay, today is one of those days where you don't know what to eat. This is where I like to make my lunch in advance. Lunch is the hardest thing for me to decide what to eat, but if I have something prep in the fridge, like a protein for example, if I have protein in the fridge, easy salad for me. But when I don't have any protein in the fridge, it's not easy. So in order for you not to cheat when you really want to stay on track with a goal, make sure that you prep. So right now I don't feel to go and cook anything at this moment, like any big cooking. So all I'm making for lunch for myself is
Go.
breakfast. That I say goat. No, I made goat yesterday and goat finish. So I made plantain, I fried some plantain and one slice of brown bread, and I'm boiling 3 eggs, and that's going to be breakfast. I already, not breakfast, well it's breakfast lunch because I haven't had breakfast as yet, but it's lunchtime now. So I'm gonna eat right now. I already feed the kids. Sarah took her nap and I didn't get to work out because just when I put her down for a nap, I feel my knee. I have a knee that is not letting me be great, but I'm not letting it hold me down. But a voice in my head say, you know what, Mel, continue working and skip the intensity workout for this morning. But yeah, I'm gonna have lunch right now and carry on. Let me know what you guys having for lunch today. Somebody tell me cheese patty so I can drool. You guys know I'm obsessed with
Today
patty.
I want to eat some cheese patty. Thank you.
Y'all don't listen to my child.
I love cheese patty.
I know
want
you
to
love
eat
cheese
some
patty.
Cheese patty.
You want cheese patty?
Yeah.
So you have to go to Jamaica. That's the only way you're gonna get patty.
So when is 3rd April,
When it's 3rd of April, what?
I want to go to Jamaica. like that to go to Auntie Shani's house and play with Justin. And when it's next Monday, I want to go back to France, and I'm going to make sure that in our luggage we have some patty. Thank you.
You guys, that's lunch. You see it? Yeah, it's going down.
Mama,
Let me show
I
you
do like that.
my little chatterbox. There he is in his book. What you doing? You're coloring?
Is this the boot like that?
Let me see. Bravo. Continue. You're doing well.
Look at here.
Yeah, that's in yellow.
Yes.
Yes. So you're doing a good
And
job.
red and orange.
Right. Good job. Continue. Bravo. Yeah. Give me a fat neck. 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 Mama, tickle you. Give me the fat neck. Come here. Yeah. Yeah,
How's this?
Give me. Give me under here. Give me. This is all Sarah wants to do all day. She wants to just stand. She don't want to sit. She don't want to lay. She want to stand and jump. And the reason why I have that bouncer jumping thing for her is because if I buy it, I don't know where I'm gonna hang it. I don't have anywhere safe that I can sit and look at her for a long time on it, because where I work is either in the couch or at the table. So I can't. Hey, stop.
Does not need to adjust it as the dinosaur.
And over this door, the draping thing over this door is not strong enough for her to jump on it. So I don't think I'm gonna get it for her. Give me the milk. Give me. Oh my gosh, you guys, my day just went by with a quickness, literally. My day went by with the speed of light. I've been so busy working on my butt. I just so busy working until it's now dinner time. Can you imagine? And every time Sarah falls asleep and I put her in the bed, she wakes up crying. I just put her down to try and cook, and there she is, wake up. Tyler have to be keeping her company for me. That's one thing, when Tyler is home, he can really help me to take care of Sarah when I want to get stuff done. And she don't wanna stay in her bed or in her chair. Tyler entertain her for me, and he never fails. What do you give her to play with, Ty?
I give her Mickey
Okay.
and one of her dolls.
Okay.
Because the other doll is already in there.
Okay. Right now I'm trying to go through the motions of making dinner. For dinner today, I already have some rice that Tyler is gonna eat, but I'm gonna make some vegetables to go with that for him, and then babe and I just have the vegetables alone. So I'm gonna make some green beans and carrots and broccoli, and that's gonna go with some salmon. And then I'm gonna roast some chicken in the oven, so that way I can have a good lunch tomorrow. Look at my kid. Look at this mad boy. Y'all see what's going on down there? Sarah thinks it's funny. Not funny? The outcome of dinner. Can you see? Let me give you a down shot so you guys can see dinner. That's dinner.
Hello, hello, hello.
You're so
You
short.
have to be. No, I'm so tall.
You are so short.
You?
You.
Hey, princess. Hi, guys.
So I get smashed.
Yeah.
Just so you can get your kiss.
Mama, why you get smashed?
Because Papa want to kiss Sarah, not me. You were talking.
Yeah, I was talking today is a new day, a new week coming. Is
You didn't vlog this morning?
No, I didn't vlog this morning.
Okay.
So it's a new week. Tomorrow is Mardi Gras. Tomorrow is Mardi Gras.
Papa, demain, je vais faire un pique-nique.
What about making crepe with Mama? Showing Papa how you learned last time.
I'm saying I'm going to picnic tomorrow.
So where are you going picnic? You're just going to the park picnic with Mama? Oh, but afternoon I'm not working. You know,
We need to take the car to go picnic.
so we can do that on the weekend. Okay? Just trying to find somewhere to go and we go picnic.
Tomorrow.
Not necessary tomorrow, I say on the weekend. Dinner looks good.
Finished off the babes.
Dinner looks good. What I wanted to say.
How was the day?
My day was good. My day was good. Went to work, come back from work early.
He's resting today from working out.
Yeah, that was good news. I was getting ready. I was about to go changing my clothes, go
His PT
get
said to
to bed.
rest.
But when I say
His personal trainer says it's rest day.
that's the best news of the day. But yeah, otherwise I'm good. Just a new week starting. The weather is still good outside. We are. You want to say something?
The way Sarah look at babe is just magical. If you guys is around us throughout the day and see the stare that Sarah stared into babe's eyes, it's like they're two person just met and is in love. Look at her. She look at him like this. It doesn't matter where he is in the house. She just look at him with this sparkle in her eyes at all times. And he carries this smoke melt every time. He love it. Yes, Sarah. Anyway, you guys,
Catch you guys
we're
soon.
gonna eat. Look at yourself. Look. Screamer. Now one.
I know. Yeah.
Here, come. No. Let me see what she's going to do with the spoon. Yes,
I feel the catastrophe. I feel.
Why did I do that? Okay, there we go. There we go. Oi, oi. Thank you. Give me. Let me refill it. Give it. Take it from her. Jesus Christ. Disaster.
What you expected? Honestly. Did you really expect it?
No, I did expect it that.
Different than that?
No, actually, I did expect this.
That's Mama.
Disaster! Disaster! That was a poor motherly job.
But
Mama, what did you do?
It's okay to get messy sometimes.
it's okay.
Alright, you're gonna get more, but yogurt in your nose. Is she extra? Honey, don't do that. Stop, John. Come here.
Interesting. Come on.
Which spoon you gonna take? Ah. Jesus Christ.
I would have.
You love food.
How would that? You remember Tyler was the mango?
Come, it's the last of it. She love yogurt. Look at her. She happy. Stop jumping. You're gonna break it. Lord of mercy. Look at her. Hi. Her tiniest couldn't disguise a heart so enormous and wild, and here we are. Wise.
Why? Strawberry!
This is the first time there's ever been.
You?
So I wonder what wonderful things you will
Do.
Very good. Will you stand up for good by saving the?
Day.
Very good. Or play a song only you know how to?
Play.
Very good. Will you tell a
Story.
that only you?
No.
Very good. Will you learn what it means to help things to?
Go.
Very good. Will you learn how to fly
Fly.
to find the best
View.
view?
It's okay. We like the ball, the big one.
Mm-hmm. You like the big one? You like big balls? You like chew on big balls?
Big one.
The big balls.
It's just the size of your titty.
It's just a sign of my titty. Oh. You know, I'm terrible. He's been talking about my breasts all week.
Oh,
You.
I need to read that comment.
Anyway, guys, what do you say? Say it.
It's the end of the day. It's the end of the day, and we're gonna end today's vlogs now. We just chill, watching TV, watching comedy. Is good to laugh sometimes. Just make you forget everything.
And if you know me, you know that I love comedy. I have two favorite comedians. Who are they?
Kevin Hart.
Mm-hmm. And? Really?
He's gonna come.
You want a hint?
Yeah.
His name starts with the S.
Hmm?
His name starts with the S. Maybe I would expect you to say him before you say Kevin Hart. Though Kevin Hart was the number one.
And start with the S.
Yeah. And his surname ended with the H. Start with the H.
S and H. Do you know him?
Honey? Steve Harvey?
Steve Harvey? And don't forget to like, to comment, to give, to subscribe, and
The Jamaican expression for today is
go on.
idiot.
Idiot
Cause my
girl.
husband.
An idiot girl. That's the Jamaican expression?
Yes. Idiot boy. You don't know this. You don't know how me married to him. There's an opposite attracts. And that's true because he's funny as hell.
She have no sense.
Me, we're funny. I bring out the best in me. French expression.
I think you can say the same word, idiot. In French, we say idiot.
Idiot?
Yeah.
I've never heard that
Idiot
before.
for the boy and idiot for the girl.
Really?
So when you say idiot, you have to be a girl. So it's
Is that true or you just say that
no,
because?
no, you say idiot. You say idiot, idiot.
Really?
Yeah.
True, true, true?
Yeah.
We don't believe you.
Well, don't believe me, but
True, 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 honey.
believe me. Yeah.
We have to ask Tyler.
Yeah, but you don't really. It's like stupid. We say mainly we're gonna say stupid, but we can say idiot.
Okay.
Idiot is somebody that is not smart.
Okay, so you're idiot.
She thinks she's funny. She thinks she's funny.
That one was good. That one was good. No?
You're Jack?
Yeah. Stop it now. Baby.
No, that wasn't funny at all.
You too lie.
I'll give you an F. You're not my favorite comedian at all. Trust me, you're not my favorite comedian at all.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. I'm going to bed because if I follow him, I'll just stay here and laugh like I don't have any sense, like he doesn't have any sense. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fan bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. It's you.